How to install Omnisend email marketing and SMS on Shopify. Are you still relying on expensive ads for every single sale? This year your profit lives in your email list. Today I'm showing you how to install Omnisend, the heavy hitter for emails and SMS, on your Shopify store quickly. We're going to get your data syncing and your AI-powered pop-ups live. Let's grow. Alright, and the first thing to do, from your admin page, you go to Settings, Apps, and then Shopify App Store. And in here on the top search, type in Omnisend. There you go, precisely the app we're looking for. And then of course install it. And then also authorize the app to access your products and customer data. And in this year, Omnisend now uses semantic sync, meaning it won't just pull your orders, it will read your product categories to build AI-suggested segments for you automatically. So for that, you just click on Connect Store and you're halfway there. After that, and this is the step that trips everyone up, you go to your online store on Shopify, go back in here, and then customize your theme, the one that you're using. And on the left sidebar, click on the app embeds icon right over here, and make sure that Omnisend is on, and then press on save if it's not automatically saved. Without this, your tracking and forms will be blocked by Shopify's native security. And that's it, your store is now a marketing powerhouse. I recommend jumping straight into the Forms tab and launching an AI-generated pop-up to start collecting emails immediately. Hopefully this assists you guys. If it did, like and subscribe.